Hello everyone. My name is Pragati Kushwaha and I am a student from the Department of Applied Economics. And in this video I am going to discuss about irrigation. The concept of irrigation is that irrigation is the process of artificially applying water to crops to meet their water needs. Irrigation can also be used to supply nutrients that are needed by the crops. Now the basic sources of irrigation are canals, tanks and wells. In India, a network of major and minor canals, tanks, groundwater, well-based systems, rainwater harvesting systems all come under irrigation. Role of irrigation in economics is that irrigation has stabilized the output and yield levels. Irrigation increases the availability of water supply, which in turn increases the income of the farmers. Now, irrigation can be classified into mainly four types of irrigation: surface irrigation, subsurface irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, and drip irrigation. Now, the question arises in our minds that which type of irrigation is water used most economically. Unlike other forms of irrigation, such as sprinklers that are only 65 to 75% efficient, drip irrigation 90% efficient, and allowing plants to use the water applied, and it reduces runoff and evaporation. Drip irrigation applies the water supply slowly at the plant root zone where it is needed most. There are some direct impact of irrigation. Irrigation affects on the provision of moisture to the atmosphere, inducing atmospheric instabilities and increasing downward rainfall. The basic objective of modern irrigation is that a smart irrigation system is to go beyond the basic function of water distribution. I would like to conclude my presentation by saying that irrigation increases yields and ensures the reliability of crop production. Approximately 40% of the world's food is grown on irrigated land, which accounts for only about 20% of the world's land used for crop production. Thank you.